Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I love the 370Z, but there's some things that just piss me off about them. It's just like, why? The first thing is the dual mass clutch. Just a clutch itself, I'm not a big fan of. With the concentric slave cylinder, it's just, why? Like, I don't like it at all. I really don't like it. One, the dual mass clutch is so loud, it just rattles and it sounds like your car is dying, and it does not sound good. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I say the dual mass clutch is loud and noisy and rattles. I hope you guys could hear that, because the whole world can. It's so loud, it's just unnecessary. And two, the slave cylinder. The slave cylinder is made out of plastic. It's in the bell housing. It's a shit place to put it. It's made out of shit material, and it's just shit. Like, it's just stupid. Another thing is the factory exhaust. The factory exhaust is just, it's just so quiet for such an aggressive car. It doesn't match the car at all. Another thing is the blind spots in the car. I'll show you guys the blind spots. There's that A-pillar, this A-pillar. You literally can't see anything. Yeah, that's a huge blind spot. That window right there, that's just useless. That's, you can't see anything out of that. The blind spots is crazy. The center cup holder, that's pretty useless. You can't fit anything in it. Well, you can fit things in it. You can fit like drinks and stuff in it, but it interferes with your shifting if you have a manual. So yeah, I'll just put a air freshener in it. One other thing inside the cab is how hot it gets in here. I'm not sure with you guys with your 370Zs, but it just gets so hot in the cabin. I'm sitting inside now and it's like 20 degrees Celsius right now, and it's hot in here. I have no clue why it gets so hot. And also the stock nav as well. To me, it's a bit outdated. It looks a bit old. Even the map, it just looks a bit old to me. Yeah. Yes, I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. About 400 Australian to get the map updated and everything. But yeah, even the back, like the background is just, it's just old. I want to talk about the stock gauges that the car came with, that's on the dash. There's 3 gauges. One is battery voltage, the other one is oil temperature, and the other one is a clock. Battery voltage, oil pressure, yeah, that's good to know. But another clock in the car, I don't understand why. I already have a clock in the nav system. What it is, battery voltage, clock, oil temperature. If they put like oil pressure or, I don't know, coolant temperature or something like that, just something else that's useful and that could read the car and what it's doing and stuff, I reckon that'd be pretty cool. Also, the steering lock fault in the 370Z, I know it's affected a lot of people here. Pretty sure it's done it to this car as well. It comes out of nowhere, it just ticks and you can't drive the car. You can't start the car, you literally can't do anything to the car. It's pretty much the same as the slave cylinder. You can't start the car or anything. You have to get it towed. To get that fixed from the dealership, pretty sure it's pretty hefty, but I put out the steering lock fuse from the car, so that would never happen to me ever, so I'm glad for that. But it does eliminate the steering lock on your steering wheel, so make sure you lock your cars and stuff. Pretty much all I have to say about what I dislike about the 370Z. Not much, but there's things there that could improve. Yeah, I hate the 370Z. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked it. Cheers for listening to me rant. Tell me what you guys dislike about the 370Z and we'll discuss it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.